Hi guys, how's it going? This is Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is steamed buns. Inside is beef, ground beef, and it's so simple to make and it's really filling. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So this is 500 grams of ground beef, 1 celery, 1 large onion, 3 garlic, and about 6 baby carrots that I just grate them. And we're gonna cook this, brown this until everything softened and cooked nicely. And this is just so simple. And then we're gonna thicken it with a little cornstarch. We're gonna season it with sweet soy sauce. We'll see. And obviously also ground white pepper. Alright, I just turned on the stove and we're gonna start cooking this. You know what, maybe no need cornstarch in the end because the sauces will make it thicken already. But as I said, we'll see. So this is sweet soy sauce from Indonesia. The brand is ABC. And then, steam. We're gonna add oyster sauce. Also Hoisin sauce. And a little bit of sesame oil. Not forgetting our ground white pepper. As you can see, all those sauces makes it more thickened. You can add cornstarch solution if you want, but again, those sauces makes it thicken already, so it's all good. We're gonna add about 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds as well, just for nutty flavor. And your filling is ready for your steamed buns. Just cool it before you use it. This is good for rice, topping on rice, plain rice, or porridge as well. I also added a little Sriracha. There you go. So this is 1 teaspoon active dry yeast, softened in 180 milliliters of lukewarm water. And this is 300 grams of flour with 3 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt. You're just gonna mix it. And then add in 3 tablespoons of olive oil and put in also our yeast mixture. And you just want to mix it and then knead it with your hand until it becomes a nice dough. Then once it's become a nice dough, you want to kind of rest it and cover it with a clean towel in its bowl. Cover it with clean towel and rest it like 20 to 30 minutes. Some people leave it for 1 hour, and then you just divide it into 50 grams each. And we're gonna flatten this and then place a heaping tablespoon of filling in the center, and then just shape it into a ball or round, and then rest it again for 10 to 20 minutes, and then it's ready to be steamed. You can steam it on preheated steamer for 10 to 15 minutes and ready to be served. Pao is ready.